Hello YouTube, welcome to SM Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today in this video I'm going to show how you can change the single handle kitchen faucet, and I will try to show all the process you need to follow to complete this task. I hope you guys will be with me and enjoy the video till to the end. So let's start the process. To change this kitchen faucet, I bought this kitchen faucet from a Canadian Tire. This is called Donze single handle pull out kitchen faucet. I bought it for $135. So now what was the problem? So if you see here, this is my old kitchen faucet, and if I open this kitchen faucet, now I turned off the water. Basically the water was not coming here properly, and this is the problem. Other than that, it become rusty and old, so I need to change the whole unit from here. Basically it has 3 holes in the sink, so they provided a cap to put on these 3 holes. So now I have to take out all this I mean the full assembly out of this sink, and I will put the new one. To perform this process, I am going to use some specific tools. I took one screwdriver, 2 pliers, 1 wrench and a scraper, and also I am going to use some white tape, and this tape is used to connect the water pipe connections, and that's it. So basically it's going to be an easy process tools wise, and let's see how it goes. Other than that, now I'm going to unbox this new Donze single handle pull out kitchen faucet. So let's see what is inside this box. First of all, I see that they provided a nice instruction guide how you can assemble this faucet. This is the main faucet, and interestingly it came with all the necessary connection pipes, and I will go through everything right now when I put this in the sink. And this is a weight, and this is something to install this unit in the sink, and they provided this plate. So let's start the process. Now first I have to remove the old one, clean the sink, and then afterwards I will put the new one. So let's go. So before starting this process, we need to clean up the inside of the cabinet, and now I have to work here. The problem is the place or the space I have. So what I need to do, I have to lie down here and perform the task. This is the underneath of the sink, and this is the pipe, I mean the old one that I need to remove. This is attached with 3 screws. So far I can see here properly, but these 3 screws need to be first taken out, and then we can pull this whole thing out. So first thing first, we need to take out those screws. So now I already took out the screws, and this is a washer. Here you can see that this is totally free now. I took out everything, and now I will go up and pull out this faucet. So now I'm going to open the first connection. So basically you need to be prepared with a bowl to collect this extra water that is coming from the pipe. So our one connection is open now. We'll go for opening the next one. So now you can see my two connections are open. This is the cold connection and this is the hot connection. The bottom portion is done. Now I'm going up the sink and to pull out the old faucet. I forgot to open the wet ball and pull this out. So this is the wet ball. The main purpose of this to pull the sprayer inside. Okay, so this is the one portion of the wet ball, and also we need to open all the connections. Other than that, this will not come out. This is the connector from the faucet sprayer. We need to take this out. Other than that, it will not come out. This hook will come down. See, everything will come down. Okay, now this is the time to take this out. So this is the old ancient garbage thing. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage right now. So as you see, this is totally rusty, and now I have to use this scraper to take this out and clean this area. So it will take some time, and I have to use something like this to clean this area. So now guys, I'm going to assemble this new kitchen faucet. Here we can find this sprayer. This is the connector for the sprayer. This will go together. We don't need this now. You can keep it on the side for later. This is the weight, and this is the thing that will go first inside the hole. This is the covering plate. These are two attachments given to tighten this, so this is very important. Other than that, I believe we don't have anything else. So now, first thing first, this will go inside this opening like that. So if you see here, it's written front. So front means it should be on the front side. Easy. So now I'll put it like that. So this is the plate, and this is the cover. It says front here. Okay. Now we don't need to go down. The process is very easy now. Now we just need to use this kind of a screwdriver and tighten this nut from here, from the top. Such a beautiful and wise way, so that you can place this new faucet very easily. So you can put as much tight as you like, but this is the time that it will give you the opportunity to tighten this faucet. Later on, when you put the faucet on it, you cannot tighten this. So this is the time to tighten this faucet. And also make sure there are two screws here, or two nuts here. You tighten them evenly. The first one, this one, you have to tighten it a little bit, and then the next one. And again, when it is done, go for the next one, and again come back to the other one. So now at this point we are ready. This is all tightened up, and now you see here this is a plastic casing or covering. We have to take this out, this is, we have no use of that. At this point we have to take this plastic thing out of this connection. You just need to, you know, take it out like that. This is very important. A very important washer is given over here. You need to be careful about that, and we are going to use it later on. And that's it. You see, these are all your pipes. We have to pass through this connection through this hole. 1 and 2, and finally you shouldn't forget about the last one. This will also go through this opening. At this point we need to be careful that we need to tighten these two nuts evenly. So first we need to put some tight here, and then we'll have to put some tight here. You need to just take your time and tighten these nuts evenly. To use this small lever to tighten this nut. This will hold the entire unit with this sink tight. Tight it as much as possible. So now at this point we are going to connect the hot and cold connection with the pipe. There is a blue mark here, so this blue mark connection pipe is for the cold water and this is for the hot water. So now at this point we will put this white thing that we already took it out before. Now we'll put it back again, and we have to make sure it's tightened properly. This is the connection that go to the faucet directly. So now this is a cap. We need to take this cap out and put this thing inside. There will be clicking noise, and that's it. And also this is the weight. We need to put it with this connection here, over here. So now first we need to open these two screws. This is just a weight that will help to pull out faucet inside. There will be two screws on both sides. Now we need to just find a area. So when you pull this out, this will go inside, so we'll put the weight over here. I put the cold connection over here, and this is the hot connection. Everything is done now, and I also put the weight over here, and that's it. Now we have to check for the water leak. If there is any leak, we have to fix it. So at this point we need to open this connection and throw a little bit of water just to make sure there is no debris inside. So it is good now. It's perfectly working now. Let's check it out. It's hot and it's cold. Perfect. So guys, finally I finished fixing our kitchen faucet. We changed it properly and it's working nice now. I believe it may help you in future if you need to do by yourself the same thing. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, please thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.